Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can easily buy barcodes, and I'm going to show you also the order that I will do, and then I will show you also how it looks when you actually download those barcodes. So the whole process, and you will see that it works. Now the first thing that you want to do, you just scroll down below to the description and click on a link. When you're gonna click on a link, you will get right here Barcodes Talk. Barcodes Talk is an amazing company with a lot of educational content, also how barcodes work. And the first thing that I definitely recommend is to create account. So if you want to buy barcodes in the future, don't have account, create new account, you would click right here and you would add email address, password, and confirm the password. I already own the account, so I'm not going to create a new one. So now when you have it, there are two things that I want to mention. The first thing is that you can definitely read a lot of stuff about the labels and then also the barcodes, how it works and what is important. But then let's click here on the buy barcodes and let me show you the whole process. So first thing first, you can simply find like the barcodes, how many of them you want to buy, 5, 1 barcode, 5 barcodes, 10 barcodes. So let's say I'm going to buy 5 barcodes. In the moment when you're going to buy more barcodes, the cheaper the price is going to be. So 5 barcodes, I will click purchase right here. Then I get to see the price, $2, quantity 5. So I'm going to pay for 5 quantity, price $2, for 1 barcode, subtotal is 10. Proceed to checkout. Then I will just add an email address right here. Now I'm going to click next step. And let's just wait until it loads. And I also bought the barcodes right here, so I will show you how it actually looks like if you're gonna buy barcode. Now then you're gonna have the company name will appear on your certificate of authenticity, and I can show you also right here how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. This is just my company here. Certificate of proof of ownership from Brown owner. Barcode stock. This is something that you're gonna have. And you can see issue date September 22, so it's a new thing. And then you would add a first name, city, then you add a country where you're from, okay, and you add like this, and you just fill everything here, and phone number. Now, then you're gonna click next step. You're gonna choose the payment method if you want it to be with card or PayPal. And let's just wait until we get there. So you can add a card number here, or you can pay with a PayPal. Again, the next step. And let's just wait until it loads. And you simply terms and conditions. I agree with the terms above. Next step again. And you just wait until it loads. And then you're gonna just like review the order. And you have simple option to see and just done pay now. You would review everything. And this is how the company name and everything will look like. And then what will happen? Now, I already bought mine right now, so I'm going to show you how it looks like. So your order barcodes and first digital purchases, full package with artwork. You click download right here when you're gonna get the order. Download, and then it's a zip file. You open the zip file and you see it right here. So like this, and you see that I got Ian here, images. See? Then we have the buying print and labels PDF file. Then terms of use, certificate as I mentioned. And of course you got it for USA, Canada, and Europe, Asia. And this is pretty much it how you use it, right? So it's like not reacting right now for me for some reason. But yep. it just like blocked, close the program. Okay, bro. So again, like here, here, and JPEG. You see it right here. And you get all important information. And this is pretty much it, how you do it. Now, if you can have any questions about buying barcode, let me down below in the comments. I'll be happy to help you. This is how you can easily buy barcodes. And have a great day, guys, and goodbye. See ya.